If you're seeing the Slack error response not underscore in underscore channel, it usually means your app is trying to post or respond in a channel it hasn't joined yet. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it so your Slack workflow starts working again. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Slack and go to the target channel where the error is happening. This is the channel your app is trying to message, so make sure you're in the exact one that's causing the issue. Now, in that channel, type /invite and then your app name. For example, type /invite at your app name and press enter. This tells Slack to add the app directly into the channel. In many cases, that's all you need. Once the app is in the channel, it can post messages, respond to events, and continue working without the not underscore in underscore channel error. If the channel is private, there's one extra step. Open the private channel, then invite the app manually. Private channels often require a more direct invite because apps cannot just join on their own. So if the /invite command doesn't work or the channel doesn't allow it, use the channel details or invite options to add the app from the members list. After the app has been added, go back and run your request again. This is the key final check. Whether you're testing a bot, a workflow, or an integration, rerunning the request confirms that the app now has access to that channel. In most cases, the error disappears immediately once the app is properly invited. If you still see the error after that, double check that you invited the correct app, that you're testing in the same channel, and that the app has the right permissions in your Slack workspace. But in the vast majority of cases, joining the channel fixes it. So to recap, open the target Slack channel, invite your app with /invite at your app name, manually invite it if the channel is private, and then run the request again. That's the simple fix for Slack error response not underscore in underscore channel. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.